In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a three-way call on Skype. Whether you're connecting with family, friends, or colleagues, Skype makes it super easy to stay in touch. So let's dive in and get started with the process. First things first, head over to the Skype website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on that. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so with your Skype account details. This is your first step towards initiating that group call you've been wanting to make. Once you've successfully signed in, your next step is to navigate to the chat section. This is where all your conversations are stored. Whether it's a quick catch up with an old friend or a lengthy discussion with a business partner, this is where it all happens. Now within your chats, you're going to want to click on the chat that includes the first person you'd like to have in your three-way call. If you haven't already had a conversation with them, you might need to search for their name or scroll through your contacts to find them. After opening the desired chat, look to the top right of your screen. You'll see a small plus icon. This little button is about to be your best friend. Click on it, and you're one step closer to creating that group call. The next screen you'll see allows you to add another member to your chat. This is how you'll form the group that you want to call. Search for the contact you want to add and select them. Make sure you choose the right person. We wouldn't want any surprises, would we? After you've selected the second member for your call, go ahead and click on Done. This action solidifies your group and brings you right to the brink of initiating your three-way call. And now for the final step, starting your call. You'll notice a Start Call button, again located on the top right of your screen. With a single click here, you're all set to begin your group conversation. It's that easy. Just a few simple steps and you're connecting with multiple people at once, regardless of where they are in the world. Remember, the quality of your call can be influenced by your internet connection, so make sure you're in a spot with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting up a three-way call on Skype. Whether it's work-related or just a virtual hangout, Skype's got you covered. So go ahead, stay connected, and make those calls with confidence. Happy chatting, happy